Fast track to weight loss. Is intermittent fasting for you? In a world of countless diet fads, intermittent fasting stands out. It's not about what you eat, but when you eat. This simple yet powerful approach to weight loss is taking the world by storm. Intermittent fasting is a pattern of eating that cycles between periods of fasting and eating. Imagine a way to lose weight without counting calories or eliminating entire food groups. Ready to unlock the power of intermittent fasting? Let's dive in and explore how this revolutionary method can help you achieve your weight loss goals. Understanding intermittent fasting, time-restricted eating. Intermittent fasting isn't a diet, it's a pattern of eating. One popular method is the 16-8 method, which involves fasting for 16 hours each day and consuming all your meals within an 8-hour window. This method is known for its simplicity and ease of implementation. Another common approach is the 5-2 method. With this method, you eat normally for 5 days a week and restrict your calorie intake to 500 to 600 calories for 2 non-consecutive days. The key to intermittent fasting is finding a method that fits your lifestyle and preferences. It's about listening to your body and adjusting the fasting and eating windows accordingly. Whether you choose the 16-8 method, the 5-2 method, or another approach, intermittent fasting can be a powerful tool for weight loss and improved health. The power of fasting benefits beyond weight loss. Intermittent fasting offers a wide array of health benefits that extend far beyond weight loss. One of the key benefits is improved insulin sensitivity. When you fast, your insulin levels decrease, allowing your body to use stored fat for energy. This improved insulin sensitivity can lead to better blood sugar control and a reduced risk of type 2 diabetes. Intermittent fasting also promotes cellular repair and regeneration. During fasting, your body activates cellular cleansing processes, removing damaged cells and promoting the growth of new, healthy ones. Furthermore, intermittent fasting has been shown to enhance brain function. By reducing inflammation and oxidative stress, fasting can improve memory, focus, and cognitive performance. From weight loss to improved brain function, intermittent fasting offers a holistic approach to better health. Section 4. Intermittent fasting made easy. The 16-8 method. Ready to experience the transformative power of intermittent fasting? The 16-8 method is an excellent starting point, especially for beginners. It's simple, effective, and easy to incorporate into your daily routine. The concept is straightforward. Fast for 16 hours each day and consume all your meals within an 8-hour window. For example, you could skip breakfast and have your first meal at noon, finishing your last meal by 8 p.m. During the fasting period, you can drink calorie-free beverages like water, black coffee, and unsweetened tea. The 16-8 method works by extending the period. Your body burns fat for energy. When you fast, your insulin levels drop, allowing your body to tap into its fat stores. This leads to efficient fat burning and weight loss. Start gradually, listen to your body, and don't be afraid to experiment. Section 5. Nourishing your body. Food choices for optimal results. While intermittent fasting focuses on when you eat, what you eat during your eating window is equally important. Making nutrient-dense food choices will amplify your fasting results and support overall health. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods that provide your body with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Load up on vegetables, fruits, lean proteins, and healthy fats. These foods will keep you feeling full and satisfied, preventing cravings and overeating. Avoid processed foods, sugary drinks, and refined carbohydrates. These foods can spike your blood sugar levels, leading to energy crashes and hindering your weight loss progress. Hydration is crucial during intermittent fasting. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated, support detoxification, and curb hunger pangs. Section 6. Consistency is key. Mastering intermittent fasting for long-term success. Congratulations on embarking on your intermittent fasting journey. Remember, consistency is key to achieving lasting results. It's not about being perfect, but about making intermittent fasting a sustainable part of your lifestyle. There will be days when you face challenges or slip up. Don't be discouraged. Every day is a new opportunity to start fresh and continue your journey. Focus on progress, not perfection. Listen to your body and adjust your fasting schedule as needed. If you experience any negative side effects such as dizziness or fatigue, shorten your fasting window or consult with a healthcare professional. Combine it with regular exercise, stress management techniques, and adequate sleep for optimal results. Celebrate your successes, learn from your setbacks, and enjoy the transformative benefits of intermittent fasting.